What if I told you that hidden within these mountain herbs is a compound so powerful it can destroy harmful microbes on contact, yet so precise it knows exactly which cells to target? This is the story of Carvacrol, a master defender found in nature. High in the Mediterranean mountains, wild oregano plants face a daily battle for survival. Their secret weapon? A remarkable molecule called Carvacrol. But this isn't just any plant compound. It's nature's sophisticated answer to modern antibiotics, antifungals, and antivirals, all rolled into one. Dr. Cass Ingram made a stunning discovery. Carvacrol is 21 times more powerful than carbolic acid, a compound once used to sterilize surgical tools. But unlike harsh synthetic chemicals, Carvacrol operates with remarkable precision. What makes Carvacrol truly exceptional isn't just its individual strength, it's how it works in concert with other compounds in wild oregano oil. Dr. Ingram calls this the orchestral effect. Think of it like a highly trained special forces team. Carvacrol leads the charge, while its partner compound thymol flanks the target. Together, they deliver what Dr. Ingram calls the double punch, a synchronized attack that harmful microbes can't defend against. Unlike traditional antibiotics that typically have one method of attack, Carvacrol disrupts the very architecture of bacterial cell walls. It's like having a master key that unlocks multiple defense systems simultaneously. This is particularly crucial in our era of antibiotic resistance. While bacteria can adapt to single-target drugs, they struggle to develop defenses against Carvacrol's multi-pronged approach. But here's the fascinating part. Not all oregano produces powerful Carvacrol. Dr. Ingram discovered that it's the harsh Mediterranean environment, the intense UV radiation, the rocky soil, the extreme temperature swings that forces these plants to produce high concentrations of this protective compound. When researchers tried to cultivate oregano in perfect farming conditions, something was lost. The plants, no longer needing to defend themselves, produce significantly less Carvacrol. Recent studies have confirmed what Dr. Ingram documented in The Cure is in the Cupboard. We're now seeing Carvacrol successfully combat multiple strains of bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus aureus species, E. coli, and even drug-resistant variants. But perhaps most remarkably, bacteria don't seem to develop resistance to Carvacrol even after repeated exposure. As modern medicine grapples with antibiotic resistance and the search for new treatments, the answer might have been growing on these mountainsides all along. Carvacrol reminds us that sometimes the most sophisticated solutions come not from a laboratory, but from healing that our Creator has placed within nature. Next time you hear about a miracle compound synthesized in a lab, remember, there's a plant high in the Mediterranean mountains that's been doing this work all along.